Ito ang buhay namin sa weekend fun. Video yan.
Ay, video ba?
Video.
Video?
Napakita ko lang anong i-expect namin sa afternoon na to.
Extreme activities.
Yun lang?
You should prepare your heart, your soul, your soul, your mind, and your body.
Okay, okay.
It's very extreme.
Okay. Atin this afternoon. Short lang.
Sabi ko lang talaga. Manda kayo nila lahat. Manda kayo nila. Death comes to all who oppose the Horde.
Okay.
Yes?
Pakitaan mo kami ng poy.
Basic lang yung kaya ko eh.
Basic lang. Sino nagturo sa'yo?
Ginaya ko lang.
Ginaya mo lang?
Robert.
Okay.
Pwede ba tayo? Wait.